Dear viewers, I'm Bersabet Takhla and this is ERi-TV English News broadcast live from the headquarters in the capital, Asmara. Coming up are the major headlines for today, Wednesday, 22 October. Tamfeda Award presented to outstanding students in Gashbarka region. Seminar on implementation of adult and preschool education in Asab. Iran and Azerbaijan reaffirm commitment to expand all-out cooperation. And dozens killed in Nigeria fuel tanker explosion. And your domestic reports, as part of efforts to enhance students' competitiveness, the Tamfeda Award has been presented to 283 outstanding students, including 117 female students who achieved high scores in the 8th grade national examination in the Gashbarka region. The program was organized in collaboration with the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students and the Ministry of Education branch in the region. The awardees who scored above 85 points were drawn from the 13 subzones of the region. Mr. Marikos Grmatian, acting head of the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students in the region, said that the award plays a significant role in nurturing students equipped with knowledge and skills. And he called on the awardees to strive for continued educational excellence. Mr. Yasin Mohammed, head of the Education Office in the region, noted that the increasing number of awardees each year attests to the progress being registered in the teaching and learning process and congratulated the recipients. Ambassador Mahmoud Ali Houri, governor of the region, said that encouraging outstanding students is part of a broader initiative to strengthen the teaching-learning process and student capacity. He called on parents, teachers and partners to enhance their participation in addressing the challenges faced in the teaching and learning process. In a similar news, a seminar focusing on the implementation of adult and preschool education was conducted in the port city of Asab on 21 October. The seminar was attended by heads of departments, PFDJ representatives, subzonal administrators, heads of education offices, and other concerned institutions. Ambassador Mohammed Saeed Mantai, governor of the Southern Red Sea region, emphasized that the development of educational activities is the responsibility of all concerned institutions and the public. And he called for strengthened roles and contributions. Mr. Fasahaya Kidana, head of the Education Office in the region, said that priority is being given to ensuring access to education for every school-aged child and enabling all citizens to read and write. Mr. Khalil Osman, head of basic education, provided a detailed briefing on the activities carried out in the areas of adult and preschool education, highlighting the achievements registered and challenges encountered. Mr. Khalil indicated that there are currently 76 preschools providing active service to about 2,200 children. The participants conducted extensive discussions on the reports presented and adopted various recommendations. Going to Mendafera now, a rehabilitation program for disadvantaged citizens worth over 500,000 nafa has been implemented in the Araza subzone. Mr. Yamana Amina, head of the Ministry of Labour and Social Welfare branch in the subzone, said that the program was carried out in collaboration with the government and the public. Accordingly, 560,000 nafa contributed by government employees and nationals in the diaspora has been distributed to families of martyrs. The Ministry of Labour and Social Welfare has also rehabilitated 10 foster families with livestock worth 10,000 nafa each and provided material support to 4 disabled citizens. Similarly, educational materials have been provided to disadvantaged students, and the public has helped harvest crops for families of martyrs. Mr. Yamana also called on the public to continue strengthening their support for disadvantaged citizens and families of martyrs. Dear viewers, we'll be back shortly with our international reports and more, so stay tuned. Welcome back. Iran and Azerbaijan have reaffirmed a shared determination to deepen political, economic and cultural cooperation and remove remaining barriers to stronger ties. During a meeting in Tehran on Monday, Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi held wide-range talks with the Special Assistant to the Azerbaijani President. The officials discussed ongoing bilateral cooperation, regional stability in the South Caucasus region, and existing prospects for future collaboration across various strategic fields. The top diplomat underscored Tehran's firm will to advance relations with Baku on the basis of mutual respect, good neighborliness, and shared regional interests. Touching on the broader regional context, Araghchi reiterated the Islamic Republic's principled position that peace and stability in the South Caucasus were vital for all the nations populating the region. He reaffirmed Tehran's stance on respecting country's sovereignty and territorial integrity, rejecting any geopolitical changes to the region, and identifying diplomacy as the only path to resolving disputes. In today's final report, dozens of people have been killed in an oil tanker explosion in Nigeria's central Niger state after the vehicle skidded off the road and crashed, spilling fuel. Villagers rushed to collect fuel from the overturned tanker, which suddenly exploded, setting off a massive fire that engulfed all of them. About 30 people reportedly died, while at least 40 others sustained varying degrees of injuries. The intense blaze burned many victims beyond recognition, and the injured were taken to a nearby hospital for treatment. Tanker explosions are a recurrent tragedy in Nigeria, despite repeated warnings about the dangers of collecting spilled fuel. Dear viewers, that was it for today, but before we conclude, a quick reminder of the top stories. Tamfeda Award presented to outstanding students in Gashbarka region. Seminar on implementation of adult and preschool education in Asab. Iran and Azerbaijan reaffirm commitment to expand all-out cooperation. And dozens killed in Nigeria due to fuel tanker explosion. Thank you for watching, and we'll be back tomorrow same time with more news and developments. But until then, have a good one.